This is South Carolina. You know the Palmetto State for places like Charleston, Columbia, Clemson, Myrtle Beach, and Hilton Head. Unique locations with dramatic scenery and filled with historic sites and plights, if you will, of its famous and infamous residents. But the late 18th century was a volatile time here in South Carolina because this state, like so many others, couldn't escape the devastation of colonial desire to break free once and for all from the British Crown. I'm Erik Hastings, and we're on the South Carolina Revolutionary War Trail. The American Revolution wasn't just fought in New England. It was also fought in just about every corner of South Carolina, and we're taking you through the entire state in a fascinating two-part series. Skirmishes, strategic seaports, espionage, military strategy, loyalists, patriots, bloody battles with devastating consequences. If you were here at the time, then your patriotism was being questioned, regardless of your allegiance, and the stakes couldn't have been higher. We'll talk with the experts and visit the sites of the landowners, the shopkeepers, and the enslaved, caught in the crosshairs of a revolution that would help shape the birth of our nation. It doesn't matter how you approach getting on this trail and learning more about this fascinating chapter of American history. What does matter is this. The Revolutionary War Trail of South Carolina is about authentic places where the action actually took place by patriotic people fighting for purpose. So join us on the next season of Beyond Your Backyard for this remarkable journey on the Revolutionary War Trail of South Carolina.